Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm finishing up one of the necklace sets, the link necklaces, and what I did is I wrapped a couple of the coconut chips, and I'm going to make these the earrings to go with this set. So that's what I was doing. The necklace, I'm going to make it 22 inches, but I stopped off because this is the tallest neck display that I have. So I am going to finish this tonight. I'm going to link it enough to where it becomes 22 inches, just the necklace part itself, and then we'll have the pendant. And then the pendant has wrapped coconut chips, and then we got coconut chips at the bottom. We got some aluminum wire. We got a hand painted bead, and then we got a variety of different beads right here. So I'm gonna just finish up the earrings real quick. I haven't been videotaping with the necklaces because it's time consuming. Linking like putting the wire through the beads, linking them, doing all that. It's really time consuming, and it would take longer than 30 minutes for a video. And I'm sure you guys don't want to be sitting here for no 30 minutes watching me just link stuff together. So I'll just be popping on with the finished product. I am going to finish these earrings right here though. Just a cute little pair of earrings that's going to go with this necklace. And I am doing them in different colors. And the thing with these coconut chips is real difficult to get them to be the same size. So they just are what they are. And even if I end up just wearing the necklace myself, I'll end up wearing it myself. No biggie. So that's what I'm doing, just putting the earrings together real quick. And then this is going to be the set. So we got the two different, and I'm going with different color earrings. I'm not matching them. So that's going to be my little signature for the necklaces. Well, some of them I'm going to do different color earrings. And then we got, like I said, the wrapped coconut chips down here. I think there's a video showing how I wrap these. If there is a video, I'll link it in the video in here somewhere. Then you can go and check out how I wrap these coconut chips. Not real difficult. And if I don't have a video showing how to wrap the coconut chips, I do have a video showing how to wrap the metal beads, and it's pretty much the same. It's not very difficult at all. But this is the necklace, got the little aluminum. And then once I put it together, I was like, man, I should have used the actual color right here. But I can always take it apart from the bottom. Change the color of the wire right here, the aluminum wire. But I really like the way this looks because it's different. It's very different. It's very unique. Just like a stunning pendant, unlike anything you would see. Just very different. And if a person likes to dress up and their attire is very different, not necessarily dressy, but just a very different individual artistic style, the way that they dress, this would be really nice. The earrings or like with the whole set, just really, really nice. I really like this. I really like this one. Out of all the ones I made so far, I really like this one. And I'm gonna probably make another one like this with some the coconut chips hanging at the bottom. I really like this. Just the whole pendant. And I probably will make some more pendants like this too because I really, really like these. I got a couple of other polka dot beads. I really, really like this. You guys let me know what you think. But this is a part of the link necklace series. So all of November, I'm making only link necklaces. So it's the series for all of January. Did I say November or January? Oh, for all of January, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm kind of liking it too. It's simple enough, but it is time consuming because you got to cut the wire and then you got to link each one of the beads, and then you gotta it's very time consuming because I sat here and I was doing it, And I'm like, shoot, it's a like almost an hour really just cutting the wire, putting the wire through each bead, and then coming back and linking and doing all that. It's time consuming. And I'm like, I'm not doing a 30-minute video or hour video. I'm not doing all that. So I just present you guys with the finished product, and it just show you what I'm doing. And then hopefully you can get, if you're looking for jewelry making ideas, hopefully you can get some jewelry making ideas from what I'm producing. But this is the latest. And guess what, family? We'll talk. Oh, we got a lot of new subscribers. I wanted to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being part of the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I do hope that whatever you saw that make you subscribe to the channel, that you see much more of that you're encouraged, you're inspired, you're motivated to create or keep creating, or you see something that that just makes you say, you know what? I'm going way out the box. I'm going to the edge to create something. Just let your creative juices flow. And whatever you come up with is what you come up with. There is no, let's see, sample or example that we have to follow when it comes to creating, right? There is no one person's way of doing anything or the way that they design that says that we have to do it that way, because we don't. Whatever you want to create, however you want to create it, by all means do that, okay? Because y'all know I'll be playing with it. I ain't doing all that. Out the box, off the roof. And here we go. And guess what, family? We'll talk.
It's just the way we are. It's just the way we are. You know.